Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a blessed day today. We are finally taking the time out to dive into the Maybelline Nudes of New York eyeshadow palette, which I am so excited. I had to do a glam look, kind of pinup style, but very dramatic with the dramatic wing and the bowed lip. I love this look. I hope you will too. And to get started, we always prime our eyelids. We're using Milani eyeshadow primer, and we have powder to catch fallout underneath our eye. So this is the Nudes of New York eyeshadow palette from Maybelline, their new palette. $10. It's actually a really nice palette, you guys. So the first shade we're taking is Creator, and this is going to be in our crease transition area. So I'm just really buffing that, blending that into the crease very messily. I know I always say that, but that's how we're applying it, like super messy. And this is just a basic nude, couple shades darker than my skin tone, transition shade. So once that's placed, next shade up is Self Starter, and this is a dark brown. This is like a coffee bean brown. It's dark, it's matte, and I'm taking that on a pencil brush, placing that in the outer corner, kind of pressing it in, and then we're going to halfway drag that into our crease area. I'm just going to take a moment to build this shade up in the outer corner and get it to where I would like it to be before blending. Once we have that, we're going to move on to our blending brush, and we're going to blend that down. There's nothing on our blending brush. We're just going to buff that against the edges of Self Starter and Creator to mesh the two together to make them appear seamless, and we will come back to this. We'll work more on it again later. Using the WetnWild Photofocus concealer, I'm applying that on the eyelid, and I'm going to do a streak of that product, kind of blink up to set our crease line, get that in place, and we're going to take a brush and I'm going to blend the concealer out onto the lid into the crease, creating our cut crease. So next up, we're going to be picking up Artist, and I'm going to place that using a small shader brush, and I'm going to press that into that concealer. And right now we're basically doing a lot of setting and just placing shades versus doing a lot of blending. So we're just preparing, and now we're going to go in with all our blending. So we're going to take and blend out that dark brown shade with the light lid shade, bringing that more into the crease now, as you can tell. And there's that, and we're going to do a little bit more of Creator on the brush, and we're going to buff that into the crease, buff again against the edges of this. Now some of the shades you'll be able to tell like kind of lose their potency as you're blending. That's with a lot of shades in general. That's okay. That's why you just go back in and add. Now for the brow bone, I picked up Artist. I placed that under the brow, and we're going to blend that out. We're going to blend the crease shade in with that, wipe away our fallout, and we're almost done with the eyes. I am bringing Self Starter on the lower lash line as well, just a light sheer wash underneath the eyes. And for the inner corner, I am using, this is from the Balm, and it's one of their highlighters, and I'm applying that with a very small precise brush in the inner corner. This is a great brush from that AOA Studio All About the Eyes set. That set is awesome, you guys. It's on shopmissday.com. $10. The brushes in it are such great quality, super soft, and there's a brush in there for any kind of look you want to create. So I'm using this L'Oreal liquid eyeliner to create a thin line of liner on the upper lash line. Then we're going to do a diagonal line to our lower lash line, and we're going to take and make a triangular shape across that to the middle of our eye from the diagonal line and create a wing. If any of that made sense, there's lots of wing videos. So we're going to do that. I'm going to tightline and put some of this Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar on my waterline as well. Great eyeliner so far. We'll do a review on that. That was the Clinique High Impact Mascara. For lips, we're using the LaColors Matte Liquid Lipstick in Danger. I love this bold lip. It's beautiful. You can pair any lip you personally want with this look. That's the great thing about these neutral kind of glam looks. Any lip will work. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found the video helpful. We'll try the look out for yourselves. We'll definitely try that Maybelline palette out. The only downside to this palette is it's a bit powdery. You'll see more in the next tutorial. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and a product list. Other information down there as well. Thank you so much for watching.